In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notification settings in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're overwhelmed by constant pings or you simply want more control over how and when you're alerted, this guide will help you customize the notification experience to suit your needs. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't signed in yet, open your Teams application and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a number of menu options that you can choose from. On the top right corner of your Teams interface, there's a three-dot icon, also known as the More Options menu. Click on this icon, which serves as a gateway to various settings and tools available in Teams. After clicking on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, find and click on Settings. This will open a new window that allows you to adjust a range of preferences within Teams, from themes to privacy settings. However, today we're focusing on notifications. With the settings window open, look to the left-hand side where you'll see a list of categories. Find the notifications and activity section and click on it. This is where you can truly customize the way Microsoft Teams sends you notifications. Whether you prefer pop-up alerts, banner notifications, or turning some alerts off completely, the power is in your hands. Now, you're in the right place to tweak the notification settings according to what works best for you. Teams allows you to adjust notifications for mentions, messages, other people's status changes, and much more. If, for example, you're part of a particularly active team or channel, you might want to limit notifications to just mentions or priority messages to avoid being flooded with notifications throughout the day. You can do this by selecting the notification options that suit your preference, such as email or pop-up alerts. Remember, the goal is to reduce unnecessary disruptions while staying informed on urgent matters. Experiment with the settings to find what provides the perfect balance for your workflow. It might take a few tries to get everything just right, but the flexibility of these options lets you tailor notifications to your unique needs. Plus, you can always return to this menu to adjust your preferences at any time if your notification requirements change. And there you have it. By adjusting these settings, you can ensure that Microsoft Teams works for you, allowing you to stay productive while keeping distractions to a minimum. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your team's notifications. Feel free to explore more adjustment options as you make the most out of Microsoft Teams.